Hello friends, before we will do exercise 3b, we will do some basic concepts. Now here I have considered two perpendicular lines XO X dash and YO Y dash. Okay. Now let theta with the angle XOC. Let P be any point on OC, terminal side OC, P be any point. Then coordinates of P are B and P, where B this base. I have denoted it with small b, and this y coordinate with small p, perpendicular. And let OP, we will denote it by small h, which indicate hypotenuse of right angle triangle. Now we define the following functions known as circular trigonometrical function of the sides of right angle triangles when available here. Now first function, first function is that P upon hypotenuse means this PM upon OP. P upon hypotenuse, which can be perpendicular upon this is sine theta. This function is known as sine theta, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Second function, B upon h means x coordinate upon this h1. Okay, base upon hypotenuse, which is cos of theta. Third function, C, I am just going to write here P upon B means perpendicular upon base. You can also write it as perpendicular upon hypotenuse, base upon hypotenuse, which is equal to sine theta upon cos theta. This is tan theta. This is the third function. You should remember those functions. Perpendicular upon base, which is equal to tan theta. Then fourth function, opposite of this function, base upon perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular, which is equal to cot theta, cotangent theta, you can say here. Now fifth function, which is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Okay, this can also be written like this, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which is equal to 1 upon sine of theta. We can say cosecant theta. This function is cosecant theta, and this is the reciprocal of sine theta. Sixth function, the last function, hypotenuse upon base, which can also be written like this, 1 upon base upon hypotenuse, means 1 upon cos theta, which is equal to secant theta, which is a reciprocal of cos theta. So there are 6 important functions which I have defined here. You should remember all those functions. Now the second concept is fundamental identities. Fundamental identities are those identities which are true for all the values of theta. ठीक है ना, always remains true. ये हमेशा ही true रहेंगी. This side is equal to 1. Now I am not going to prove all the identities. I am just going to prove here first identity. See, in a right angle triangle, perpendicular square, this one, perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. If I am going to divide perpendicular square upon hypotenuse square, base square upon hypotenuse square, this is equal to hypotenuse square upon hypotenuse square, means this will give you 1. H square upon x square will give you 1. This is perpendicular upon hypotenuse square plus base upon hypotenuse square, this is equal to 1. Now perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which is equal to sine of theta square plus cos theta, base upon hypotenuse cos theta, means sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So on the similar way, you can prove these two identities. You should remember these three identities in order to solve the question of exercise 3b. Let us start with the question. Now I have taken here question number 1. Prove that this left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we will start with the left hand side. Is equal to sin theta cot theta plus sin theta cosecant theta, which is equal to sin theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. I've just put the value of cot theta here. Sin theta. Now cosecant theta is a reciprocal of sin theta. We have already discussed it. Now sin theta cancel out with sin theta, you will get here cos theta plus 1, which is equal to right hand side. This complete question number 1. Now second question, we have to prove this is equal to 1. Now I am start with left hand side. Cosecant theta can be written like this, sin 1 upon sin theta. It is a reciprocal of sin theta. Similarly, secant theta can also be written like this, 1 upon cos of theta minus cos theta. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Now cos theta is reciprocal of tan theta, means it should be cos theta upon sin theta. Just reciprocal of cot theta. Now this is equal to 1 minus sin square theta upon sin theta into 1 minus cos square theta upon cos theta. Sin square theta, you should take here LCM, sin square theta plus cos square theta upon cos theta sin theta. Okay. Now 1 minus sin square theta, this is the fundamental identity. It is equal to identity 1. I am using identity 1 here. Cos square theta upon sin of theta multiplied by, this is sin square theta upon cos theta. This is 1. Identity 1. Sin square theta plus cos theta will give you 1 upon cos theta sin theta. Now see, this is cos 1 cos theta cancel here and 1 cos theta cancel here. 1 sin theta cancel here and 1 sin theta cancel here. You will get here 1, which is equal to 1, which is equal to right hand side. This completes the question number 2. Now we will do some more questions.